Web-based garage management software CarVue claims to help independent garage owners save time and money while boosting income by around 20%. The system has helped garages across the country say goodbye to their paper diaries and outdated desktop software, just as Carl Wilcock did of Wilco Autos in Kenilworth after inheriting his father's business.
I've transformed the place really. My father had ran it down because he'd been working on it in the garage so long. It was just a hobby in the end to him. So he's just 1 or 2 jobs a week, so I've now turned it around to 3 or 4 jobs a day. It's something I'd always thought about coming back to work with my father, but then when he passed away quite suddenly, I thought actually there's a garage there's a bit of a customer base, I could try and turn this around and have my own business. He did everything on paper, handwritten invoices and everything. And his customer database was either in his head or in a little telephone book. And having used different DMSs over the years at different dealers, I thought I need to make it a bit more modern.
CarVue works through a browser and on any internet-connected device, giving garage owners access to the business at any time and from anywhere. The end-to-end management, sales and service system starts with initial customer contact and guides garages through booking, repairs, invoicing, customer follow-up messages and repeat visits.
To start off with, I've got a very small customer database of just a telephone book and previous invoices of my father's. I've now got nearly 700 customers on the database, which I've built up over the 5 years. And if it wasn't for CarVue, I'd still be using a paper system. Each month I'll go through and do a report for service reminders and MOT reminders and contact the customers for that. So it enables me to keep on top of what work should be coming in as well.
For Carl, the biggest benefits of CarVue include its integrated technical data from TecAlliance, performance reports and the ability to access the system from any device at any time.
To have something which is almost purpose-made for your business was great for me. I can just type my name into CarVue, it comes up with all the vehicle details, date of registration, make, model, everything, and I can then access everything I need to know about that vehicle, what I've done on it before, could it be a warranty problem, no customers are going to have to pay, so I can get all the information I need to pass on to my parts suppliers.
For further information about CarVue and to start a 30-day free trial, go to carvue.com.